love you. We love you. We love you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the late night show.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. And but if you like this now, that officer on balls, baby. Now they run everybody. That's how we roll. We roll like Padedia, roll like Igbo, you roll like any other roll label. You understand me now? You cannot roll like Igbo. No, we have to make sure crime in this country is reduced. You understand me now? You have to behave ourselves. Yes, late night show on the wheels of steel. As usual, my fellow driver for this particular bus, my guy, my G, DJ Easy Beats.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
Yes, thank you very much. So, as it be so, you know, if I need to arrest anybody now you are best start with. Because now you don't see people moves. You understand? When you don't the thief moves now, what it be this one now? This move is a police move. When thief they do pio. Okay, like a pow! You understand? You also come out half of the yash. You understand with that? And some people they want to say, why you gonna wear uniform today? Ladies and gentlemen, checkpoint. Checking point. Yes. Easy. See as the uniform fits me. It makes sense, Abi. Imagine say, person like me now come propose to your sister. You agree now?
No way.
What they worry you? What they get out of this? What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Say police just come and pop. Just open door. Just fall like this. Good evening. I want to see Jessica. Your mama. Okay. Welcome. Make you sit down. But now the normal. All those who you're there anyhow. You know, like we go to see very soon. You understand? It's not the normal anyhow one. You just go say, una well done, no. Una well done. I beg.
Oh, big stick.
They hold their pack for the head. Pop. That thing they work everything, no. That thing they beat. That thing they clear road. Everything. I beg they find Jessica. They say, well, waiting. You be Nepa, be waiting police. They say Nepa police. Now those two work for this country. What does your father do? Nepa. But I know say it's changing. It is changing, and this country will become the best country. We get the best forces and best every. Amen? Amen. So as it be so, we go do our post 101 things to start the entire show just because we just bad like that, you know. As we always tell you now, see for this show, we the hustle every.
Yes,
you understand? As I be like this now, the first give me ambassadorship for police for this country. You get me that? We just stay for billboard for police.
Yes, so I tell you.
The future of Nigeria police. You
understand? Made of luck.
Oh!
Hey.
Okay, more do pose 101. So, ladies and gentlemen, pose 101 for today. Easy. What's the worry about Nigerian models themselves sometimes? If I see some post already, they put sometimes. I think you're like just hang hard. Like, what do you do? What do the hands?
It's making you feel the armpit call.
And some, if you see, Samson. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome. The show don't start. And of course, today I wear this uniform. Yes. I wear this uniform for something very, very important, and we're not going to know as the program continues. But at the same time, one of my guy, my G, the building, Twale, the first anchor of the late night show. Of this particular show. This time be the ancestor, and then be the Adam. So respect to my fellow stupidity in the industry.
Yes.
Very foolish man. Somebody's father. I wonder how the daughter they cope with her because you know your guesses. With wife, I wonder how to say yes to her. You understand? But any which way, we are going to continue. Because some mothers do have them, some wives do have them, some daughters do have them. At the same time, we get Tolu in the building. Yes. So together was the producer of the play we want to talk about today. Everybody there inside the building. If first Salako, he go there inside the building too. So now full show. All right. So first and foremost, Coco of the day after this break. Will they go? they say, police, pull over. You understand? For this country, Nigeria police, you just, hot afternoon, back, inner light.
They shout.
Hot afternoon.
You say, "Oga, calm down now."
I say, Oga, calm down. See, but when I hear one policeman gist,
Yeah.
I can't know the reason why they get natural hot temper. If you hear salary, for the under the sun, they go carry machine gun give them. You know the suffer. So you release bullet. Pwah! You say, accidental discharge. My brother. But anyway, we dey celebrate Nigeria police today on top the show, on top the late night show. But first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, now the cocoa of the day.
Make a tell them the cocoa. 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 Make a tell them the cocoa.
Coco number one. Big guy, I got a police is your friend.
Oh yes.
We're your friends, not your enemies.
Oh yes.
Make sure say all the law and order everywhere, they're okay.
Oh yeah.
My first story,
Okay.
easy bit.
Talk to
For
me.
Calabar. No say before, they know different people from different states for different things.
Okay.
When you mention Calabar people, one kind of work will come your mind. I know call her. No, my mother tell you yes, things there for the country. Some kind of people now you first come. When I mention Benin people, some kind of things they come people mind. You understand? I no go use my mouth talk. When they come mention which state again?
Yoruba.
When they mention the Yorubas, you go know them for you understand with that thing there. When they mention the Igbo people then,
Yeah.
you go
We have.
identify them for
will.
you get me now. But for Calabar side, they know them for some kind of work too. You get, but I no go talk am. But for here now, the Nigerian police burst in for one hotel. What they call what's the name of that hotel? Say, if you see how many people they catch 54 prostitutes. Now be a show, catch 54. They go catch 56 male patronizers.
Wow, shit.
Now be-
How many men?
56 men, 54 women. Now we say 2 men there extra.
On standby.
Just stand by the wait. Who go free? Oh, who go down for corner? They say, "Well, John Afana, do come outside. Me my turn reach." In the presence of the waiting, night police bust them. Pa! And they bail up everybody. Hey, park there. Park. I say park. On a park because then they use everything to arrest. You get me? 54 prostitutes now they call arrest and 56 male patronizers. And they call back for this particular Peace Garden Hotel, popularly called Flower Mills Joint.
Flower Mills. Wow.
They always get AKA. I don't know why. So, but the name of the hotel is that they always get one kind bad spirits name for the seduction name. See how? Peace Garden Hotel. And when you come there, you have peace.
You have peace
Of
and you will
mind.
gather.
And then they go, they destroy people's husband. Peace Garden Hotel, aka Flower Mills Joint.
Flower Mills.
That Flower Mills, but maybe like they near Flower Mill.
Oh yeah.
You understand? They call say now Flower Mills Joint. You get me now? But any which way, they call the police there. They call say, that place, you know, there all the criminals for the state, they come.
Come turn up.
They turn up for that place.
Accidental
So now
discharge.
small girls, 13 years, 14 years, they go there for the same market too. Say for what? Why? Say they do this one to make sure say they clean badness one for inside
for
Calabar.
streets.
Because they must make sure that things go on where I should say for the 56 where they arrest. So policemen they too. We know wear uniform. Say guy for now. Be your guy now, be your guy. Get out that thing. I say, come when you go, you know coming. Enter van. Don't say somebody. All right, okay. So correct. Nigeria police, una well done.
Respect.
We celebrate una. Una they try. I
Respect.
beg, respect to all of una. All right, so cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Now, you say different people get different. Different industry don't be very, very competitive.
Oh yeah.
So if you want to maybe find work as presenter, for example, you got to put on your A game.
Yeah.
And sometimes you say because TV now looks,
Yes.
not your radio, you don't carry the ugliest face, go radio,
shoot,
but you go
put
see
it
the
up.
popular for the full world.
Okay.
When they can't see you, they can't try balance the voice and the face. Say, why yee? So we get one like that too.
Oh, yeah.
I know you all mention the name because the face, they shock and say for midnight. You know, you stroll past me. So your face has made you your star. Now, this particular lady what's her name again? Enki Brakaj. She go find work as TV presenter. See the babe. How I take get the work? He open Bobby for the garden for the office. Her Bobby was everywhere because she get big ones, big melons.
Now audition for this one so.
Now audition now. So now she don't get the work. People that carry correct CV come. Nothing. Some people don't do presenting for different places come.
They don't get profile.
You don't get high profile. This one now you come, just carry Bobby come, just carry all her breast come for front. Say, I'm here to look cozy. Employed. Sharp. They give her different things to
job.
on the job now. She talk to people or girl. All of a sudden. So now she don't present one particular 21-year-old now she be and she present one international news program. Not be sports, not be entertainment, news. And they say within 1 week, if you see ratings,
they turn up.
People when they watch the full world now they watch the news.
Turn up, want to see the news.
Say they are different kind of news. Now news be this too.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say, wow, this news is interesting. So you go see your wife in the vest for us.
What's the latest news for today?
What's the latest news? Wow, the news is wonderful today. Because they say maybe your big small brother show for hey, easy beat. We see your wife, they all day for the vex.
I think.
Let's watch sports.
I like
Let's watch football.
I like her news.
Yeah, Ziba say, no, I want to watch the news.
I like her news.
Let's watch something else, please. Cartoon. But anyway, so you say these industries, competition not high, and everybody they find different means, just do all right. Coco number 3, final.
I'm in love with the coco.
Okay, just in case you get a pan, let me say head of the growth for your head. People like me, they get correct W for head. I don't also know why this thing be like this because my papa said if he try for hair small. I don't know, maybe my mama side I go carry some kind of things from. My life if they watch, I don't know. No, my mama side they get hair. And my papa side.
Oh really?
So new one not come out now. Hope they for guys that will get bad head. Male lace wig. Don't be on trend now. Lace wig for men. See the picture now. They all cover different places where your head is shine. They reflect light. This guy now one person be that too. The one for down at the former head, for the left at the former head, for the right, I mean the present head. Lace wig for men, just in case. If let's say me, I'll consider this thing.
What if breeze blow?
If breeze blow. Now lace wig now, I'm saying that shook him. That's saying think you all arrange well for inside the head.
Fresh,
It's fresh now.
You know when they go salon.
You go all shock you say. Nancy pop daddy they use be this.
Yes, but you know when they get head.
It's like their head now. They pop daddy they loon. They who again also they can just carry sporting waves for head.
You be like see they draw out.
Yeah, like they all can't use pencil just to do zip for the head.
They can't bath, man. They can't remove.
They can't remove because come out and just keep just bath.
This thing go fit you.
For me, Abi. That's how I go reason the whole thing. No, only say I know one of my friends. You might that year. If you see this boy, the brush head. You feel brush. You don't come out in thinking.
In thoughts.
You don't come out in thoughts. Okay. Now you're going gist for the day on top Coco of the day. Anybody will get any extra gist to give us on top of all the stories we're not carry given now. Just go on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Knock your gist for that and then together we'll go run every. Alright, so no go anywhere. We'll come back with my first guest and then we'll go run the full parole. Easy! If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.